Hi, if you are new here, welcome to Best Kitchen Guide. In this channel, we aim to inform you about the latest and greatest tools that are used in kitchen and cooking. If a product passes our rigorous testing, only then it gets recommended by us so that our viewers don't have to face any buyer's remorse. Our evaluating process includes extensive testing, features, and prices. So if you pick the items featured in this video, you can be well assured that you are buying the best product possible. Please check the description below for our featured top 5 product links from Amazon for updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get started.
Our number one choice for top 5 best oven for baking is Cuisinart TOB 135N Toaster Oven. Cuisinart is without doubt one of the best of high-end kitchen appliances. They offer a wide range of toaster ovens that can meet the demands of many bakers who bake at home. This oven is able to meet your baking requirements at home. It features convection cooking technology that allows it to efficiently and evenly disperse heat throughout the oven. This ensures faster cooking time and greater consistency of heat for perfect baked cake and biscuits. The convection oven comes with the ability to cook with up to 9 functions, which include convection, which allows you to bake delicious roasts, cakes, and potatoes. You'll be pleased to know that the oven is equipped with an expansive interior that can allow for a 12-inch pizza and 6 slices of bread and even the whole chicken. It also comes with a precise heat sensor, which is a useful feature that ensures accurate oven temperatures. Additionally, it comes with an even shade feature that ensures that your toast is always the shade you prefer. Similar to the other top-rated models, it also has an electronic dial and LED buttons to make it easier to control. It has a simple blue backlit LCD that you are able to quickly and effortlessly choose the desired cooking function as well as temperature and cook time. Number 2 in our side is KitchenAid KCO 211BM Toaster Oven. This oven provides the benefits of large ovens but with a countertop. It has a huge capacity and can fit much more than you could ever imagine. The company claims that the oven has 50% more space inside over Breville's Mini Smart Oven BOV 450XL, one of the top competitors. It has a 9 by 13-inch baking pan that allows you to bake large-sized cookware in your own home. This toaster is equipped with you'll benefit from up to 9 pre-programmed cooking functions that allow you to perform a variety of cooking from roasting to broiling, baking, and more. The easy-to-read display will provide you with an overview on the progress of your cooking. The oven is sleek in design, beautiful matte black finish, and chrome knobs. All of these make it look stylish that allow it to give instant elegance and style to your kitchen countertop. Third in our best oven for baking list is Oster Countertop Convection Oven. The Oster provides you with the maximum ease of cooking by placing an oven that is placed on your counter. It has an extra large size and makes the perfect option for the occasions when you require more oven space to bake cakes and cookies for a lot of people. It offers ample space inside, with enough room to hold 2 take-in baking pizzas as well as 18 pieces bread, a roast, or even a family-sized chicken. The oven also comes with 2 racks that you can put in 2 different positions. This means that you can modify the interior space to fit your specific needs for cooking. This oven is equipped with digital settings that make it easier to take the guesswork out of cooking different foods such as pizzas, cakes, toast, broil, toast options for defrosting, etc. The timer for 90 minutes with auto shutoff will let you know the time your food is cooked. After the timer has rung, the oven turns off to save energy. This oven comes with a broiler rack as well as a baking pan. This will make your home-based baking a breeze. Let's watch more. Our fourth pick is Panasonic Toaster Oven. If you're looking to replace your existing oven with one that cooks more quickly, this is the perfect oven to bake cookies. The small countertop model comes with 2 infrared heaters, which allows the cook to be at least 40% more quickly than traditional toaster ovens. Convection technology generates instant heat, removing the need to preheat for the most effortless baking experience. The operation of this oven is simple even for novices. It features up to 6 auto menus that are clearly illustrated with buttons that will give you an effortless beginning. When you press these buttons, and the device determines the time of your tasting and the level of browning for you. It also comes with an electronic timer as well as temperature settings to assist you in making bake delicious cakes and cookies. It also comes with a square inner tray, which is ideal to bake pizzas that measure with up to 9 inches diameter, or as much as 4 pieces of bread. The crumb tray is accessible for cleaning. With its light-colored interior, you can easily see your food while it cooks. The alarm will notify that your food is complete and ready to serve. Let's watch more. Last in this list is Black & Decker Convection Toaster. If you're working on a tight budget, but want the most efficient oven for baking at home, this convection oven will be perfect for you. The oven is optimized to make home baking enjoyable and simple. It offers up to 8 pre-programmed cooking functions that allow you to quickly cook many different dishes. They include pizza, bagels, potatoes and frozen snacks as well as cookies. This Black & Decker unit goes over and above these restrictions. It comes with an extra deep inside that can comfortably accommodate up to 12 inches of pizzas or up to 6 pieces of bread. It is able to accommodate entire dinner dishes, chickens and more. It comes with 2 position racks to give you the flexibility you require to get the best results from every food item. It allows you to cook your food under the broiler or allow for larger food items. The oven is equipped with an interior that is non-stick for quick and easy cleanup. Simply a wipe is all that is needed to clean the interior of the oven. Place food directly under the broiler or create space for larger items. Low and high oven rack locations allow you to get great results from every food item.